Good morning, student. Today is the fourth part of chapter first. In the previous lecture, we have learned about what is computer, what are the functional component means input-output processing, and today we will learn about characteristic of computer. We have divided the characteristic of computer in two parts. The strength of computer means the advantages of computer, and the weakness of computer means disadvantages of computer. In the advantage of computer, or we can say strength of computer, it's come speed, high storage capacity, accuracy, reliability, versatility. In the weakness of the computer, or we can say in the disadvantage, it is lack of decision making power, IQ is zero, no heuristic. So let's start with the strength of computer. Speed. As we know that the computer is very speedy, means we can do millions of calculation within a second in computer. Means computer perform high speed calculation or complex calculation within a second. High storage capacity. In computer we can store huge amount of data in a less space. Means high speed storage capacity. In the previous version or in the previous era, we can say the computer can store only in the MB, but today it is petabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, we can store it that. In supercomputer, the storage capacity is very high. Third is accuracy. Computer perform the task 100% accurate, means 100% correct. If the hardware and software is not malfunctioning. Computer only perform the inaccurate performance or give the inaccurate result when there is a malfunctioning of computer, means the hardware or software. Then reliability. Reliability means we can have trust or we can have faith on computer. Computer are immune to tiredness and boredom. They are more reliable than human being. Means like human being, human after some time doing the job is become tired, need some rest, but computer do not need any rest. Computer continue working till the end, means till the final result it got. And boredom means if a computer repeat the same job, they cannot be bored, but human being become bored. The fifth point of strength of computer is versatility. Versatility. Computer can perform repetitive job effectively. They can solve a labor problem or do hazardous job in hostile environment. Means the computer do the hazardous job as a robot, it can perform the job and it can repeat the same job with the same effectiveness. Means if computer is giving hard work 100% in the first job, then till the last job it will remain the same. Now come to the weakness of computer. There are three weaknesses of computer. First is lack of decision making power. As computer is an electronic machine, it cannot make a decision by its own. It only performs the operation or task given by or ordered by the human being, or can perform the task written in the coding of the software. IQ is zero. IQ is zero. Computer are dumb machine with zero IQ. They can need to be told each and every step. Means computer is like a dumb person, or we can say it is like a dumb machine. Each and every step is told by person or user or programmer to perform, otherwise computer cannot take a single step by its own. And the third is no heuristic. In human being, we learn from the previous experiences, but computer cannot learn from the previous experiences. Means when the first situation comes, it will perform the same operation when the surrounding or environment or the condition is same in the last. Whenever the condition it gets the same, it will perform the same operation. This means that the computer cannot learn from the experience, or it cannot make it some changes from the previous experiences. It will perform the same task when the same situation will arise. So for today, these topics are over, and we will continue with the next topic in the next session. And as I told you, write the name in the comment box, so that I can understand those who are watching this video are. Thank you.